Alright, here we have a quadratic equation that we need to solve. First thing you would try to do is solve it by factoring. So factors of 8 that add up to -4. We have 8 and 1. Well, it would actually be -8 and -1, which would add up to a -9. We could use 4 and 2, which would add up to a 6. I think those are our only options. So it's not going to factor. So therefore we need to use the quadratic formula. X equals -b, so b is -4. So a -4 is a +4. Plus or minus the square root of b squared, so -4 squared is 16, minus 4 times a times c, all over 2 times a. Okay, so that gives us 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 4 times 1 times 8. Well, 4 times 1 is 4 times 8 is 32. So 16 minus 32 is a -16. So obviously our answers here are going to be imaginary. So we get 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 is 4, and then the square root of -1 is I. That whole thing divided by 2, so we can simplify that into 4 divided by 2 is 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2, so 2 plus or minus 2i, or 2 plus 2i, and 2 minus 2i. They are always going to happen in conjugate pairs.